Hey everyone, I'm Aaron Duncan with Duncan Brothers Customs, and essentially we are here at SEMA 2022, and what we have is a 2014 Mustang GT that we rebodied to look like a 69 Shelby. A lot of work went into this thing. Obviously we wanted to have the chrome bumper look, so these are real 69 Shelby front bumpers that we've widened and re-chromed to kind of, make sure it has that old car aesthetic. Our own fenders, our own hood, door skins over the factory door, so that way it retains any factory functions, your windows, your door locks. You're not going to get wind noise or things of that nature. Aesthetically, the car really does look a lot like a 69 Shelby, more or less a tribute. If you've seen it going down the other side of the interstate, you would think, wow, look at that cool 69 Shelby. But you have the modern day reliability, and that's where things really take off for this car. Custom US mags wheels, Borla exhaust routed through a real 69 Shelby exhaust exit. So pretty wild car. We've done a lot to really try to dial in the little details, but front to back, everything has been modified, touched, reskinned, redone to make it an accurate tribute. Custom Aaliyah leather interior and SCT tune, and the car is just pretty awesome. Hey guys, Duncan Brothers Customs, give us a follow on Instagram, Throdle, Facebook, YouTube, whole 9 yards.